Hi and welcome to this video to learn how you can perfectly prepare for EMVCo 3.0 approval with Comprion's EMVCo PCD analog starter set. This is the user interface of the Device Test Center, the platform software for conformance testing. Product approvals for EMVCo 3.0 require working with one RF acquisition for all waveform test cases. Therefore, this group of test cases is summarized as TA120X and TB120X. You can see them on the left-hand side in the navigation pane. With a double click, you start executing a test case, a whole test group, or a complete test plan. After starting, the test operator info on the right-hand side lists all actual steps or necessary prompts like confirming jumper settings. Now it indicates the movement of the robot. This is an example using the Dobot, which Comprion integrated into the Device Test Center so that one can start right away with teaching and testing. Now, don't look away because the 8 test cases with a vast number of measurements go by in no time. On the right-hand side of the Device Test Center software, you can see the overview of test cases executed. Each result type is listed by an icon. First, the result report of a single test case, or like here for the test case group TA120X, one row has all measurements of a single test case plus acceptance criteria values or ranges. This allows for a quick analysis of how well the reader passed or how badly it failed. Secondly, the monitoring view provides 3 general sections. The upper part displays the digital representation of the analog signals exchanged. It's important to note that you can zoom in and out. The middle section drills down the communication to bytes or even bits exchanged, indicating the origin of signals, reader or PIC simulation. The views are synchronized, so that clicking into one detail causes the other parts to jump to the same position. The section on the bottom informs about test steps taken, if an analog scope trace has been triggered, and if a warning or error in the independent monitoring occurred. Thirdly, the most interesting result types are the waveforms and the analog signals available in the analog scope viewer. Start with the zooming level, showing the complete overview, and then zoom in step by step. Using a right mouse click, you can jump from the start to the end of the capture and to each single target, that is, one measurement or one mark being part of a measurement. Important to know that a mouse over reveals details of all marks set. This way you can directly jump to a measurement identified in the test case report. In the section below, you see the result of this measurement jump to. And there you have it. That's all it takes to prepare for terminal approval.